Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today for another one in our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 iPad app. We're going to look here at the desktop, and we're going to learn how to change the look and appearance of how the icons and the books are laid out. Some of you may like what we've got as the default view, and that is the list view. And that is what we're using right now. But if I tap this icon up here, and that switches between list view to thumbnail view, some of you may prefer to see a colored icon or a thumbnail rather than a list, and the clean look that this provides, and that's what we have as our default view. So now that you've seen how you can change the look of the icons on the desktop from thumbnails to list view, you can do the same thing to the actual book collections. So if I want to change the layout of that, let's click on the side menu here by clicking on the sandwich icon and then coming down to the bookshelf layout. And you'll find along here that there are 6 steps that you can change. Let's find out what step 1 is. That's what I have it set out as present. So step 1 gives us a listing of all the book codes. Step 2 gives us the book titles. Step 3 gives us the thumbnails of the bookshelf of the book covers. Step 4 enlarges the book covers. Step 5 shows us the book covers with the information. And step 6 enlarges that for people that want to be able to see it more clearly. So now there is a default mode. By tapping on the default icon there, it lays out in which you have the list view for everything but the bookshelf. As you notice, when I come back to the home screen, I have a list view for the first couple of stages, but when I open up books, I have the book thumbnails rather than having, like I do on step 2, the book titles. So that's what the default mode is. It sort of does a little hybrid there for you. So I hope that little tip has helped you on learning how to change the layout to both your bookshelf and your home screen. Thanks for joining us. Have a blessed day.